Everyone thinks Claude AI can help them hack, but here's the truth. If you are using it in the wrong way, you are not just wasting time, you might actually be putting yourself and your targets at risk. I tested Claude myself for 30 days on real VAPT engagement, and I found 5 myths that could destroy your cybersecurity career. Stick around because myth number 3, almost every beginner believes it. Myth number 1, Claude AI will write exploit code for you. I see this everywhere in Discord server and Reddit. Just ask Claude, it will give you the payload. Let me show you what actually happens when you ask Claude to generate a working exploit for CVE, something it refuses. It's not limitation, it's a design decision. Here's the truth. Claude is incredible for understanding vulnerabilities, how buffer overflows work, what makes SQL injection possible, why a SSRF bypass happens. It explained at a senior developer level. Use it to understand, not to automate attacks blindly. That's the gap between a script kiddie and a real pen tester. Myth number 2. Claude can replace burp suite, Nmap, and your actual tools. Why to learn Nmap? I will just ask Claude to scan the network. That's not how this works. Claude is a language model. It has no network access, no real-time environment, no shell. It can't touch your target. What Claude can do is help you interpret Nmap output, build better burp macros, explain Wireshark filters, and write custom Python scripts for automations. It's the co-pilot, not the pilot. The moment you treat it as your tool, you lose it at your research partner. Myth number 3. Using Claude for cybersecurity is 100% safe and legal. This one is dangerous. Here's a real world scenario. You paste a client internal IP range, there's web app URL or system architecture into Claude while working on a pentest report. You just share sensitive client data with a third-party AI. This is potential NDA and compliance violation. Always use anonymous or synthetic data when asking Claude for help. Replace real IPs, real domain names, and real system names with placeholders. Enterprise users should check if their organization has approved Claude for work agreement or use on-prem AI options. Your clients trust you. Don't break that trust for your convenience. Myth number 4. Claude's cybersecurity knowledge is always up to date. CVs drop daily, 0 days surface overnight. Claude's training data has a cutoff. Ask it about a CV from last month and it might confidently give you outdated or completely wrong information. I tested this. Ask about a recent Apache vulnerability. It hallucinated a patch that doesn't exist. Always cross-verify with NVD, ExploitDB, vendor advisories, and GitHub POC's repos. Use Claude with web search. Enable when you can. Treat Claude output like a first draft, not ground truth. In our field, one wrong assumption about a CV can cost you a bug bounty or worse, cause harm. Myth number 5. Using AI means you don't need to learn the fundamentals. This is the most dangerous myth of all. I get DMs every week. Claude writes my report for me so I don't need to learn report writing, or Claude explains the vulnerability so I don't need to understand the code. You are building a career on borrowed understanding. The moment Claude gets something wrong, and you won't know. Claude should accelerate your learning, not replace it. Using it to go deeper on topics you already understand at 60 to 70%. Use it to generate practice scenarios, create mock VAPT reports, quiz yourself on attack paths. That's how seniors use it. That's how you grow from junior to a lead pen tester. So 5 myths, 5 truths. Claude is powerful force multiplier in cybersecurity. If you use it right, drop a comment which may surprise you most. And if you want more like this, smash that like button. Subscribe if you are serious about building a cybersecurity career. See you in the next one.